How to block comments containing specific words on TikTok.
This can be useful if you have a lot of spammers spamming a certain word or phrase in your comment section, or if you just want to block people from saying specific things. Start out on your profile page as pictured here. Then, tap on the icon in the top right corner with 3 horizontal lines. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. On the Settings and Privacy page, tap on Privacy, which has the lock icon next to it. Then, scroll down to the Interaction section and tap on Comments. Here, at the very bottom of this comment filter section, toggle on Filter Keywords. You'll see a new box pop up where you can add your keywords. My nieces like to make fun of me for my nose and its size, so just for fun, I'm going to type in nose and then press enter. You have to do this each one. You have to type in the phrase or word you want to block and then click done and then start the next one. So now that I've got one, let's type in Pinocchio. Now that those are added, any comment that would have either of these 2 words would automatically be filtered out and not actually appear on the video itself. To view comments that were filtered, tap on Review Filtered Comments at the bottom. Now, I don't have any here, but if I did have any filtered comments that contained those words, I'd be able to approve them or disapprove them on this page. That's it. Before you go, check this out.